Hey guys, here's one tweak for starting your own accounting firm. It's going to be about talking about utilizing your story. So you have to be able to utilize your story to sell high ticket accounting and bookkeeping clients. So how you start getting that is you need to start using your story. Okay. And once you start utilizing your story, you're going to be able to have more confidence in yourself. And once you have more confidence in yourself, you can start moving and acting as if you're already making, six figures in your business. So if we're going to be looking at our story, you got to be looking at what are all the different like skill sets you have? What are all the different accomplishments that you've had? What are all the different like failures that you've had as well? So a good example of this is my student JT. So when he was first getting started, he was trying to work specifically with nonprofits. And the reason why he was working with nonprofits, there was something like his story when he was a lot younger, was that he was trying to he got into accounting because he was trying to help people really learn about how to deal with their money because there was some personal things that happened, and when he was growing up that his families did not know how to utilize money correctly. So as he went to school, he went into accounting. He's like, I'm trying to make money. I want to learn how to manage. I want to learn how to account for. I want to just know everything. So whenever he talks to a client, he can often find common ground because there's a really high amount of business owners that when they're starting off or if they're in the middle of their journey, they know what it's like to not have a lot growing up. So they use it as a place of common ground. Another thing about his story is he played I don't know if it was like Division 1, Division 2, Division 3 baseball. A lot of the business owners that you're going to be connecting with are going to be related to you. So if you like going and golfing, oftentimes you can find common ground with the business owner because they like golfing or they like watching football or they love a favorite restaurant that you go to, right? There's all these different like little connection points. And if you can learn how to connect to people and you can add these different things inside of your story very strategically, by the end of the consultation call, you don't have to get as many smoke screens. The people are going to shoot with you straight. They respect you. They trust you. They hear your judgment. They want to know what you have, and they want to know how you can help them out. And it's a lot easier versus how most people go. Now, if you want some help growing your accounting or bookkeeping business, and you want to avoid all the mistakes that I made along the way, and you want to learn from someone who's where you're trying to go and get to, go ahead and click on the link inside the description below to book a call with me. And on that call, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at like, where are you right now? Then we're going to say, hey, where do you want to go? And then thirdly, if I think I can help, I'll outline the process for you. But what it's actually like to work with me. And then if it makes sense between both parties and you're in agreement and you want to go, we can onboard you right then and there. We can move forward towards your goals together. If it's not quite the right time for you, that's A-OK too. You can keep watching these videos. When the time is right and when you're finally ready, and even before you're ready, go ahead and click on the link, book the call. I'll talk to you soon, and I'll see you later. Have a great rest of your evening.